So, hi everyone. Good morning, guys, all of you. So, guys, I'm audible. I'm audible, guys. Okay. Is it clear, my voice? Is it clear, my voice, guys? Okay, right. So, guys, here in the last week, I think so, I was interacting with you. Okay, but we are coming to the next in this week. Okay, so we are postponed to Monday. So anyway, guys, here, okay, so let me discuss about databases. Okay, so what is exactly database? Okay, and why we need databases? Okay, and what kind of, that means databases where we can use. Okay, in real-time applications, especially when you're working in real-time companies. Okay, so databases where it will be useful, in which type of applications it will be useful for us. Okay, so that kind of information, and how many the ways of database models we have it here. Okay, and after that there's all introduction about that, and we will discuss. And I already told you, okay, in the last session. Okay, so what we are learning in this course. Okay, so what we are covering in this course, so that also I will give my schedule, and as per schedule we will go for that. Okay, now, right. So the first of all, guys, here the few things we should require here. So what is that? We will see now one by one. So now, so there are so many versions are there here, and our latest version we are learning what now? Oracle 19C. Okay. So the first thing is, okay, what is database? Okay. Generally, we all of you know Oracle is the one database software. Okay, now. So what we can do with the Oracle databases? Okay, and what kind of operations we can perform with this software? Okay, so this kind of some information I will give to you guys here, and how many types of database roles we have it here. Okay, and in that I said in the last session there is many roles are there, but in that the most popular roles are, okay, like database developer or database administration roles. So these are the very popular roles in database area or database environment. Okay, so that also we will discuss here. And later, what kind of prerequisites we required for learning of Oracle database. So that means so many people we have like requirements. So is there any other technology is needed for us to learn Oracle? Okay, so this kind of information also we will discuss on this. Okay, na? Right. So simply, guys, here, before you want to start your Oracle, some informations, that means the basic terminologies and basic information we will be discussed now. The first one is, the first question is, so what is Oracle? Okay, what is Oracle? Okay, na? Right. So this is my first question, guys. Okay, so anybody expected here what is Oracle? Anybody expected here what is Oracle? Come on, guys. Any guessing, guys? What is Oracle? If you say, if anybody asks you, what do you say? Yeah. So yes, of course. So Oracle, simply we can say here, okay, it is a database. Okay, I'm short with that. It is a database software, we can say. Okay, or else we can also call it as here. It's a backend tool, we can call. Or else we can say here RDBMS. Okay, product we call it. So your RDBMS means what, guys? Relational database management systems. Relational database management system. Okay, right. So in different form, okay, in different way, you can say guys here. So what is Oracle means? You can say like this. Oracle is one of database software, you can say. Otherwise, I said in the last session, the backend and front-end tools. So in real time, mostly we are using the two kind of the tools we are using guys here, either one front-end side or back-end side. So your Oracle is comes under the back-end tool. Okay. So otherwise, even though we called as Oracle is a RDBMS product also we called. So here, what is RDBMS? Okay, so RDBMS stands for the Relational Database Management Systems, but what it is exactly, so that we will learning in our sessions. Okay, now, right? So this is simply remember, guys. Here, what is Oracle? Okay, now. So here I said database software. We said here it is a one database software. So the next question will come to you guys here. The next important point here, what now? Okay, if it is a database software, okay, then what is database? So here we know that the database is simply we can define, it's like a location, it's like a place, okay, now it's like a space or memory. Yes sir. So we can call or define like this, because why I'm calling database is like a memory, why I'm calling database is a, okay, one memory or a location, why we call means, okay, in that places, okay, we are going to be stored our data. The different kind of data we can store, like a organization data. Okay, right. So guys, now check out my voice and audible. Is it clear, all of you? Then offline students also check out. Is it clear? Offline students also. Okay, right. Yes. So now guys, here we said, so the first point we said here, okay, so whatever the tool we are learning guys here, the Oracle 19C. So the first question will come to you, what is Oracle? Okay, so what is Oracle means? We said here, it is a software. Okay, it's a database software, or we said it is called backend tool, or it is also called as RDBMS product. And RDBMS stands for what I said here, the Relational Database Management System. Okay, but what it is exactly relational database management systems? Okay, so that we will discuss in our classes one by one. Okay, right. And the next question here, the Oracle is called as one of the database software we said, right? So it is a database software means the next question is, what is database? Okay, so what is database here? So simply I said guys here, the database is nothing but, don't think that, okay, what exactly database? So simply remember, the database is nothing but it's a particular location. Okay, it's some memory we are utilizing for storing some information or data. Okay, now, so that is a simple we called as your database. Okay, so that's why the people what they will say, what is database means. So simply we called as here. So it is a collection of, okay, it is a collection of interrelated data, guys. Here, interrelated data or information. Okay, we called as. Okay, so why, sir, why we called it is an interrelated data? Okay, why we called it is an interrelated data? Okay, because of reason. So your interrelated means what now, guys? Here, the dependency to each other. Okay, for example, I depends on you and you depends on me, so that is called as interrelated. Okay, so if any particular business organization, okay, there are so many departments, okay, so many branches, departments, employees, yes or no? So they're all are working together in one organization now. So whenever the different people, the different department people, when they're working, okay, in one organization, then each and every department related data we need to save under databases. Okay, so for example, let me see. Suppose, okay, if I want to take here one example, suppose my example database is called as here. Okay, suppose banking database. So I'm creating one database that's called as a, okay, banking database I'm creating. So my database name is banking. Okay, so now we just check out banking means, okay, what kind of informations we can store about the banking sectors? Okay, come on guys, any guessing what kind of informations we can store about banking sectors? Yeah, banking related information. Yeah, first thing is, for example, suppose you have your one database I was created with the name of banking underscore database. So that related information, what I can store about means, okay, I can store like the first thing is, suppose we have any one bank, it may be SBI, ICICI, HDFC, whatever it is. Okay, suppose you guys just think out. Now, suppose my database is belongs to SBI Bank. So SBI Bank, okay, related, I was created one banking application by using of Oracle. Okay, by using of Oracle. By using of Oracle software, I'm creating one banking application, and that was called as banking underscore DB. Okay, and this bank I was created, that means this application I'm creating for which bank? SBI Bank I was created. So what kind of information they can store under this banking underscore database? Okay, means that the first thing is, guys, here, suppose SBI is an organization means, you know that if it is an organization, there is a number of branches we have it here. Yes or no? The first thing is called as what we can say, okay, branches. Okay, so the first you have to remember. So what we required about bank means, first we need to save the information about the branches. So SBI organization is having how many number of branches? Okay, so that details, that information I want to keep in my databases. And after branches, okay, after branches, what is the next thing we have to go here? So in every branch, we have so many departments are there. So we can say it is a departments. So like a clerk department, management department, accounting departments, yes or no, operational departments, sales departments. So the different types of department people, they're working under particular branches. Okay, so that means I want to store some information about the department status. In each branch, how many number of departments we have it. So the information we need to store under your databases. And of course, we have a department means compulsory we should or we need employees, because when the departments are there means definitely we have a employees. Okay, now, so when we have here the departments, the compulsory what we have here compulsory we have employees. So that means we are using, guys, here employees details. So employees related information, their employee ID number, their names, their salary details, their designations, the date of join. So the different types of informations we can store under employees. Yes or no? So these related information I want it here. So along with employees, some other activities or other related informations we can store. Okay, then what it is here, like a customers. The next we can call it as here what now? Customers information. Okay, we have a customer information and the customers. Okay, so guys, some networking issues. Okay, right. So now what is the next one we share here? Employees. So employee software, what kind of information we can store about banking sectors here? Okay, next we can store the customers information. So here not only customer information about their account. Okay, right. Guys, now check out. Now check out all of you. Is it clear for you? Okay, right. Now, so now let me check out here. So what we said here, the database and database is collection of interrelated. Interrelated means what now? For example, if I'm taking a banking database application for related to SBI. So in this SBI organization, what it will be having guys here, branches and departments and employees and customers information. So when come to customer information, what kind of the things we can go to store about the customers, because their account details I can store it. Okay, so account their payments details. Okay, so now if you want to come out here, the deposit details. Okay, so loans details, etc, etc. So this kind of information we can store about the customer related information. So guys, here one thing you just observe, the whatever the information we are storing is all the information which belongs to which it is banking application. So that means here the collection of interrelated information or interrelated data. What is the mean by interrelated means? The whatever the information I'm storing here, this complete information which related to one particular organization, one particular domain. Yes or no? So it may be banking domains. It may be universities like educational domain. Maybe it was the medical. That means we can say healthcare domains. Yes or no? Like a sales domains, production related informations. So whatever the information we are storing, guys, here, that every information which related to that particular organization. Okay, now so that is a called interrelated informations we called here. Okay, now interrelated information we called. So this is one example of a banking database. Okay, now right. So now guys here, okay, fine. So we have some idea about what is database, fine. But the next one is guys here, The where I can use this databases. That means there are so many the organizations we have it here. So many domains are there in the real time. But our databases, okay, that means not only Oracle, if any type of RDBMS product, like so some other things are there, like SQL Server, MySQL, Oracle, Sybase, Informix, Ingresses, Teradata, PostgreSQL SQLs. Yes or no? There are so many other databases also we have it here. So any database, okay, the main intention and purpose, okay, and where the people are using means, okay, so I will give some real life examples, the applications I'm giving to you, so where I can use my databases now. Okay, the next question will come to like this here. So where we want to use, where we want to use, where we want to use database, okay, or databases. So here I will give it some example applications. Okay, so the different types of applications we have it here. Okay, so the application name I will take it here. Okay, and the application use, the use of application. Okay, so just now I said banking application we said guys here. My first application, the databases or database softwares where we can use means we can use under banking sectors. So banking sector, whatever I said to you, so what is the use of this banking application means? So this kind of information I can store it here. So I said here the branches information, and we can say departments information, we can say employees information, we can say customers information, okay, the customers accounts details. Okay, so like whatever I explained to you, that this kind of information I can store into banking applications. In the next one, if I want to go for guys here, like a universities. So universities means it's called as a educational department we called. Okay, now so in an educational department also databases can be used. Okay, now then in this area, so what kind of information I can store here? Simple, I can say here the students information. Okay, the students information I can store, and the students about the courses informations I can store. Okay, their colleges informations. Okay, now so this kind of informations, okay, I can go to say which was comes under universities. And when come back to, okay, the next one is called as here the airlines we can call it. Okay, that we can call it as what now, airlines. Come to airlines. Okay, in airlines field, okay, what kind of information we can save here? What kind of information we can save here in airlines means, okay, for like customers, okay, like customers, okay, the reservations information I can save here, reservations, okay, now, and there, and the customer, okay, what are the airlines schedules, okay, now, so we can save your schedules, okay, etc. So these kind of information we can save here. So like there are so many applications guys here we can use where we want to use databases here. Okay, now, right. Okay, right. So like there are so many different types of applications we have it here to use your databases. Okay, and these are the few examples I'm giving, like, okay, like we have your sales departments. Okay, so like we can say in sales or in production department, yes or no. So we can use telecommunication departments, we can use the finance departments, yes or no. So there are different manufacturing people. Okay, so different ways we can use. And one more thing, the most important here, this is also important for us. Okay, so that is what we called here HR management side. People are using in every company, they must and should be maintained HR management people. Okay, because of reason, these guys will maintain the information about your employee salaries and their payrolls, okay, their deductions, okay, allowances. So these kind of things they can go to manage and maintain, which belongs to a company, okay, by HR people. Okay, so HR management side also we can go to save, like okay, we can save employees information, okay, like their salaries informations, like the payrolls. So they created payrolls for the employees. Okay, so these kind of things they can be used here. Okay, so these are the some application guys here. So I said different applications are there, like even though sales, manufacturing, this kind of the areas also we can use your databases. Okay, now right. And now guys here observe. These are some examples I was given now. Okay, right. And the next one is, so many people have some little bit confusion in the database category. So here we are using Oracle, right? And there are so many popular databases are there in the real time. Okay, there are so many popular databases we have it here. Okay, now so in that cases, the how many, that means some people are asking to me, so the differences like SQL Server, MySQL, Oracle. So these are all our what, sir? Means these are all our databases. Okay, now these are all our databases. But the thing is what now? Every database is having its own specifications. Okay, and this is also very important for you guys here. Okay, so now for example, some popular databases I will give it now. So some popular databases and database softwares. Okay, now we can see the top. Okay, the top 10 databases I will give it here. So Oracle. Okay, next we called as MySQL, and the next we called as SQL Server. The next we called as okay, Sybase. Next we called as Informix, and next we called as Ingres, and next we called as Teradata. Next we called as MaxDB. Next we have it here, first GRE SQL. So like this, okay. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So next one we called as the most popular databases. These are all okay. So that's called a DBase. Okay, now so next we called as like okay, Fax Pro. Okay, now so these are so many databases we have, like so we have here Maria. Okay, Maria database. So these are the some databases we have it here, guys. Okay, now here the point is, so we have a different databases. That's okay, like Oracle, MySQL, whatever I was given, guys. So these all databases, whatever we said here, okay, these all databases are the main intention of databases. What we said here, the storage of some information. So that is we called it. It's a collection of some information. So either it may be Oracle, it may be MySQL, it may be SQL Server, or any one of this. Okay, when we want to use guys here, the thing is what now? Okay, all database, the main intention is what is now storing some information here. The storing information of these databases, that is the main intention. But sir, here so many people are asking, can I say like Oracle and MySQL, the both are same or not? Any guessing guys here? The Oracle and MySQL, can I say both are same? Come on guys, what is your guessing? Is it same or different? Okay, yes. So now here, yeah, all are working together and their futures, their purpose, everything will be same. But the way of implementation, okay, the way of implementation will be different. So this is the first point, guys. Here you should remember guys here. So what is the first point here means? So all are same, all are backend tools, okay, or we can say all are databases we call. But the purpose and the aim, ambition, everything will be same. Storage, processing, sharing, security, yes or no? These all are same thing, will be do it. But what is the differences in between means the way of presentation. Suppose if you have some data types are there in Oracle. So these data types I can't use under MySQL. And MySQL data types I can't use in Oracle. Like every database is having its own specifications, its own syntactical specifications, okay, now, its own data types, its own functions, its own operators, okay now. So these are all are different guys here. For example, suppose if I'm asking to you, so we have here nowadays, okay, the popular technologies, okay, we have here .NET and Java. So these are the very popular technologies, okay, .NET and Java. Can you tell me guys here, the .NET and Java both are same? Can you say both are same? No, we cannot. So we cannot, both are not the same. But one thing remember, the both technologies are we are using to develop same kind of applications. Okay, so Java, how we are going to be using to developing different types of applications, like a console applications, okay, is nothing but stand-alone applications, web applications, Android applications, mobile applications, setup and deployment applications, device applications. Yes, sir? So the different types of applications we can develop by using of Java. Okay, so how you develop your different applications by using of Java, in the same pattern, the .NET people also do it. They are also using by .NET. They can develop a standalone applications, web applications, okay, mobile applications, device applications, Android applications, setup and deployment applications. So they can also develop. The both technologies are using for development of same kind of applications. But still, we are saying that these both are not the same. So why, sir, we are saying that the both are not same means that point is what now? The .NET is a different types of syntactical specifications are there, and Java specifications are different. So when you're comparing to .NET specifications and Java specification, there are a lot of differences are there in between these two. And the most important point, you all of you know this, the way of implementation of .NET code, okay, the way of implementation of Java code, okay, so both are different. But I think so guys here, you knows that. So both the courses, when you go to check it out, both are having same topics, like a OOPS concept in .NET, OOPS concept in Java. So arrays, yes or no? So the constructors. So both are having same kind of topics. But the problem is what now? The topic is same, but the way of implementation is different. Okay, now, so how can we say these both technologies are different technologies, but using same kind of applications? Okay, but how we can say it is a different technologies? Same as your Oracle is a different, MySQL is a different, SQL Server is a different. That means different means what now? The way of specifications, the way of implementation is a difference. That's why don't compare, guys. Okay, so Oracle to MySQL, don't compare. So Oracle is different, MySQL is different, SQL Server is different. Okay, now, so don't compare. But these all are comes under database softwares. Okay, how we can say .NET Java, these are the two technologies. Okay, same as these all are comes under database softwares, but every database is having its own specification, its own syntactical, okay, rules, okay, all are there. So like in the same pattern, can I say like here, okay, the .NET, okay, we have some data types in .NET. Okay, so these data types, .NET data types can I use under Java? Can I use, guys, here the .NET data types? Can I use into Java? No, we cannot use it here. So we cannot use it here because .NET compilers are different, Java compilers are different. Okay, now so .NET compilers can understand only .NET. Java compilers can understand only Java. Yes or no? Same as here also, every database is a different. Okay, now so this is your idea purpose I was given. Now, so that is the reason what you want to learn. The first thing is you should remember what we want to learn. Do you want it Oracle knowledge or MySQL or SQL Server? The which knowledge you required, which database you required, that is the first choice for you. Because so many students, okay, by mistake, otherwise they don't know any idea on the databases. Okay, they wanted something, but they're learning something. For example, one student wanted knowledge of MySQL, but they're coming to learning Oracle. Okay, now so it's a lot of different. That's why you can't go like this. Some people wanted Oracle, they're learning SQL Server. Some people wanted SQL Server, they're learning Oracle. Okay, now so that was what a blunder mistake we are doing that. It's a blunder mistake, guys. So that's what I am telling you. So which tool you wanted, what you want to learn, which tool is useful for you, your career, your platform which you selected. Okay, so that is also very important for us to knowing. Okay, because unnecessarily don't waste your time and money. Yes or no? That is also very important to check it out, what we want to learn, which database is useful for me. Okay, now that is also very, very important. And one point I'm telling, guys, here, remember, every database is a different. One database knowledge, that means knowledge is okay, but one database syntactical specifications you cannot use into other databases. Okay, now one database data types you cannot use into another database. So every database is having its own data types, its own functions, its own operators. Okay, now its own syntactical rules. Okay, so these are all remember carefully. Okay, now right. So now this is what. So that means finally what I'm saying here, everything will be different. So don't compare to one, because every database is having its own characteristics to implement in our real-time applications. Okay, now right. So now these are some popular database, and the next one is, who want to learn the database now? Okay, the next question is, guys, here, who want to learn, database? So yeah, the simple thing is, guys, here, any platform people, they can learn it. Any platform, person, they can learn it. Okay, so any platform means I will give some examples now. Okay, for your understanding purpose, I'm giving some examples. Like a Java student is required. Okay, so now .NET student is required. Now PHP student is required. Next, Python student is required. Okay, next, Selenium student is required. Okay, now so he was required here. Next one, that is called a Selenium people, is nothing but what now, guys, here, testing people we call it. Nowadays testing people are there. Okay, now so those people is required this okay, database knowledge. Like a data science people required. Okay, like the most okay, Power BI students are required. Like a MSBI students can require. Like a DevOps people are required. Okay, like AW, Amazon Web Services people are, AWS people are required. Okay, like Hadoop people are required. Okay, like Hadoop people required. Like they required Tabla people, they required. Okay, they required here. Quick queue people are required. Okay, so the different, that means here databases are, they don't have any restrictions here. Okay, they don't have any restrictions here. So anybody can learn, or any platform person, they can learn it your databases. That point should be remembered, guys, here. Okay, now, so any platform students can be learn it. So whatever I given here, okay, those people, they can happily learn your databases. Okay, now, and in this case, okay, in this, few people required, that means I was given all the people, right, all kind of people, but here who want to exactly, they wanted Oracle. Okay, who wanted exactly Oracle, means that here, so in this, the complete who are going to be the platform, okay, who wanted Oracle means these platform people compulsory. Okay, so the first one is here, I'm saying here Java. So Java, otherwise I can say full stack Java developer. Okay, na? So whatever it is, okay, even though you can say full stack Java person, they can learn it. Full stack Java or full stack Java. Okay. The next .NET people not required Oracle. This is very important point. Okay. Suppose you are a .NET student, so you don't wanted Oracle knowledge. So you wanted what? SQL Server knowledge. Okay. You wanted what? .NET students are learning what? SQL Server. Next, the PHP students are there. The PHP students, okay, they can use mostly they are using, or they integrated with the MySQL, and very rare cases they're using Oracle. So MySQL PHP people mostly implemented here. Okay. The next one is Python people. They require some knowledge of database. Okay. But these people are using what now? Okay, MongoDB. Okay, one database is there. But the guys here, if you want to understand that the MongoDB knowledge, some little bit information they want it here. Okay, now, like compulsory Selenium people, compulsory they want it. That's called a testing people. They want a testing people compulsory. Okay, right. Next, data science and Power BI. These two people compulsory. They want it here. They wanted here compulsory, these two, data science and Power BI. And again, come to MSBI people, they don't want it MSBI people Oracle. Okay, MSBI people, they're learning what now? SQL Server learning. SQL Server learning. So next, DevOps and AWS, Hadoop, Tabla, QuickView. So these are all people, they require the knowledge of Oracle here. So they both the two kind of informations they want it here. So especially when you want to specifically, if you want to say, these people can be required here Oracle knowledge. Okay, now, so now you have to think you are comes under which platform student. Okay, you comes under Java or full stack Java student, or Python or Selenium or data science Power BI or DevOps, AWS, Hadoop, Tabla, QuickView. So in this, any platform student is there, then they can happily learn it here. And one more very important thing, guys, here. Okay, so even though somebody, they're purely trying to database development side also, that is called a database developer. Okay, so they also wanted here. Okay, so what it is here, database developers also they required, or who are working database admin side, those people also require this knowledge. Okay, now, so not only for these guys, if you are a database developer, for example, you are trying to your jobs on database developing side, okay, so you people also, these people also compulsory they require the knowledge of okay, the Oracle. Okay, and here these are the first priority of the people, so who are working as a Oracle database developer or Oracle database admin side. So these people also needed, that means who are trying their jobs on these categories, those people compulsory they need a knowledge of your Oracle. Okay, now, so these are what we called as, guys, here, so the information who want to okay, now, so who want to learning or who want to choosing these platforms, those all people, they can go for to learn it your Oracle database. Okay, now. So, and the next one I said, guys, here. What is the next requirement here? Prerequisites for Oracle. Okay. So, what we need to require. Okay. So, what are prerequisites? So, your prerequisites, guys, here carefully observe. Okay. Your sites. Okay. What kind of prerequisites are needed for the person who want to learn this course? So, there is no prerequisites, guys, here. Okay, now there's nothing was required, and any background student they can happily come out and learn this database courses. Okay, now so you are the background of computer science or mechanical or civil or whatever it is, you can learn it this courses. And not only this course, any software related technologies, so anybody can learn it. Okay, now and here also somebody saying that, sir, when I want to learn this Java, I need some C language support, C++ knowledge. So this kind of the requirements are needed, okay, for the Java purpose and .NET purpose. But here Oracle purpose, you don't want it any prerequisites here. You don't want it any knowledge of any technology, because of reason database is a separate technology, guys. It's a separate backend technologies we called. So these backend tools are having its own, okay, features, its own characteristics, its own specifications. Okay, it's never depends on any other. Okay, now so it's a purely different and purely separated, okay, your databases here. So that's why, so what I'm saying here, there is no any prerequisite, that means must and should be learn something. So that kind of restriction was not there here. Anybody can learn it database without having any knowledge of, okay, any technology knowledge, you can happily learn it. Okay, right. So now this is what we called as, guys, here about your some information I was going to give it here. Okay, right. So now later, so finally, okay, what is our schedule? Okay, come to in our schedule what we want to do and what we are letting the schedules. Okay, now so in this course, what is your schedule? The schedule I will give it clearly and check it out, and based on the schedule, okay, you just go to follow. Okay, right. So here, come to my, okay, when come to course schedule, so what is required, sir, for and what kind of okay, the Oracle I'm saying here. So Oracle course schedule. And the first of all, take this, that means first observe this complete schedule, and later I will interact with you. So don't worry. Okay, the first one. So guys, here your course, the course name is, okay, so we are learning, so Oracle 19C. Okay, and the next one is, guys, here the duration. Okay, duration, and the duration, okay, it's called as a 60 sessions, guys. Okay, now 60 sessions is our duration, guys. And later your timings will be started here. So 9:15 your class will be started of exactly the 9:15 to 10:30 a.m. Okay, so this is completely what we called this is class timing, and in this only we have a last of 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, 15 to 20 minutes. This is completely your doubt session. Okay, so doubt session I will take it here. Okay, now right. So the 9:15 a.m. I started my class and up to 10:30. And last after 10:30, 15 to 20 minutes, I'm interacting with you about your doubt session. Okay, now? So what kind of, that means on the session, if any doubt you are rising here, definitely we will clear those doubts in this 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, now? Right. And now this and next one is the course type. So here the both kind of people they can come out here. So online people and also offline. Okay, no? So this was for the two type of course, online and offline. Okay, no? So this is what your course schedule. That means only a time and a duration I was given. Okay, no? This is completely class time. Okay, and this is your 15 to 20-minute doubt session. I will take it for every day on particular session. Okay, now right. And next one is what we are learning in this course. Okay, so what are the course details are there in this? So from Oracle, so what you are learning from Oracle course. So what are you learning in this means? Here I was divided here some topics now. The main headings I was explained to you, and the internal you have it here. Internal, that means internal contents. Okay, sub contents you want it here, so you can happily take the content form from Naresh IT people. They will give to you. Okay, but here the main topics I will go to discuss with you. Okay, the topic number 1. So first we are discussing about the first topic is called as what now? DBMS, guys. Okay, so when you learn any database, guys, the first point remember, when you learn any database, the first we should need some knowledge of a DBMS. Okay, database knowledge compulsory we should require. Okay, so why sir we require DBMS knowledge? Because we should know that how the databases are enhanced here. Okay, so like from 1960s or 1960s before. Okay, so how the data can be managed by people. How the data can be managed by people. Yes or no? So at the time we don't have any softwares, we don't have any computer, we don't have any software. Then how the people can manage their business data, the business related informations in early days, how they will be managed. Later on, what kind of the models will come into our databases, what are those? Yes or no? So this kind of some the behind story of your Oracle. Okay, so why Oracle is came, when it was came. Okay, okay, what kind of advantages when we learn it Oracle compared to the remaining database models. Okay, so this kind of information, when you know that, then you will get some clarity on your subject. Okay, now if I directly started Oracle now, so you people have a confusion. So SAR was directly started Oracle, but why Oracle? What is the need of Oracle? Yes or no? Who was introduced? How it was introduced? Oracle before, what kind of databases are there? What are those? What kind of problems are there in those? Yes or no? So this kind of knowledge, when you have it now, then automatically you can understand that, okay, this is the reason, and this is the reason why we are learning Oracle, why the people was introducing Oracle in real time. Okay, so that kind of we are learning from DBMS. Like what is DBMS? DBMS models, how many types of DBMS models are there, how it was enhanced by people in each model, what kind of features and drawbacks are there, and present what we are using, which model we are using, and whatever we are learning Oracle, this Oracle software is comes under which type of database management systems. Yes or no? So this kind of analysis we can do it under DBMS topic. Okay, right. And the next major topic for us, okay, the topic number 2, we are learning, guys, here Oracle. Complete, we are learning about the Oracle tool. Okay, so what is Oracle? Oracle advantages, features, okay, and later types of databases in Oracle. Okay, and versions. So the from the initially, so when the people started from 1979 to the 2022, how many versions are introduced under Oracle? So in each version, what kind of features are introduced by Oracle Corporation people? So some people are asking, what is the differences between Oracle 10G and Oracle 11G, sir? What is the differences between Oracle 12C and 19C differences what, sir? So what kind of new features are added in Oracle 19C? Okay, so this kind of knowledge, okay, we are learning in this. And not only that, in Oracle, we are learning how to download your software from the websites. Okay, I will show you. And later how to install your Oracle software in your computers or laptops or whatever it is. So for installation purpose, what kind of hardware and software requirements are we need? Okay, so these kind of things we can go. Okay, so these kind of things we can go to check it out. So what is Oracle, why Oracle, and Oracle architecture? Yes or no? Oracle architecture, and how to download Oracle software, how to install Oracle in your laptops, and what kind of versions are there, and what is client server architecture, and what is client, what is server again, how many types here, what kind of memories are there in the server location. So the complete the part of your Oracle we are going to be learning. Okay, next, after getting the knowledge of Oracle tool, okay, what is what, if you're getting the knowledge of Oracle tool, then later I started, okay, the integrations of your Oracle with the language is what now, SQL. So how this SQL language was integrated with your Oracle software or Oracle database server, how my SQL will be integrated here. Okay, so what is SQL? Okay, SQL, what kind of, like, so many topics are there, guys. Okay, so many topics are there. Like if you're learning DDL, DML, DQL, TCL, DCL, SRNO, operators, functions, classes, okay, joins, subqueries, okay, and primary key, foreign key relations. Okay, so so many partition tables, locking mechanism, database security levels, yes or no? So like indexes, clusters, okay, user defined data types, okay, so many are comes in this SQL part. Okay, now, so if you wanted the complete list, you can take from the Naresh IT people. They will send you that schedule. Okay, that means course content they will send to you. And after this, we are going to be learning, guys, here the topic number 4, the most important level, that is called as a normalization. Okay, it's a completely database designing level. Okay, it's completely database design. So what is normalization? Normalization need, why the people introducing this normalization technique, and denormalization means what? What is the mean by denormalization, and what is the mean by normalization? The differences of denormalization and normalization, what it is, and again in the normalization, how many types of normalization forms are there? Like we know, okay, first form, second form, yes or no? So first enough, okay, so we have here like second enough, like we have here third enough, like we have your BCNF, that's called a boys code normal form. Okay, so it's called as what now, boys code normal form. Okay, next we have it here fourth enough, and next we have it here five enough. So these are the, okay, different types of the normalizations here, and what is what, we will go to learn it. So in every form, okay, in every form, okay, so what we can say, guys, here, so what is in every form, how the techniques are there here. Okay, so these are all kind of things we are going to be learning in this part. It's completely purely designing levels. Okay, we are going to be learning, guys, here. Okay, fine. So now in the next one is called as here, okay, after learning of this part 1, Okay, this is complete the part of one, guys, here. Okay, complete the part of one here. So now the second part is what now you can see. The second part is what now you can see. This is, okay, one part of this in database. Second one is called as, okay, that's called a topic number 5. Okay, we are learning PL/SQL also. Okay, so not only SQL, even though we are learning PL/SQL also. The procedural language, okay, which is an extension of SQL. So that means up to now we are getting the knowledge of SQL, guys. Yes or no? Up to now we are getting the knowledge of SQL. But after SQL, the people was introduced the second one more language that is called as what now? PL/SQL. So this PL/SQL and SQL differences what, sir? Okay, now, so why the people was introduced PL/SQL when we have a SQL? When we have a SQL, then why the people was introducing here? So you guys tell me if any language was introduced here or any version was introduced here, it means what now? The previous versions are having some problems or having some drawbacks, or it doesn't supporting some features. Yes or no? So based on this criteria, the people was introducing the new versions. For example, C language is there. So if I'm asking to you guys here, what is the extension of C? Come on, guys. What is the extension of C? C++. Very good. The extension of C is nothing but C++. So when the people was introducing C++, it means that the C language is having some problem. Yes or no? The C language was having some drawbacks. So to overcome those problems, the people was introducing C++, or else adding some new features in the C++. Okay, same as a PL/SQL, why it is called an extension of SQL means SQL we can't go for to do everything. Okay, it doesn't supporting some kind of features like for example, if else conditions I want to use. Okay, if else conditions I want to use, so that if else conditions I can't use under SQL. For loop, while loop. Okay, now so these kind of things I can't use it in our SQL. Okay, so like so many differences are there that I will explain to you in our classes. And after that, okay, the next one is, guys, here. Okay, the topic number 6. The topic number 6, the next one is called a dynamic SQL. Dynamic SQL. Okay, now, so here learning SQL, but what is dynamic SQL here? Okay, so we are already learning SQL. Then again, we are saying that dynamic SQL. So again, what is the dynamic SQL here? Okay, so that the differences of SQL and dynamic SQL. Okay, so these are the things, guys. And this is your from the course of Oracle course. What we are learning means these are the things we are going to be learning in this course. And the major contents are these are, so knowledge of DBMS, knowledge of Oracle tool, and the integration of with SQL, Oracle application integrated with the SQL, and what about database designing levels, how to designing your database applications by using of normalization technique, and what about PL/SQL, and what about dynamic SQL. So these all the things, if I want to finish, I need the 60 sessions of time is required for me to finishing this all complete course. Okay, so this is what, guys, here my schedule here. Okay, now, right. And the next one, guys, what about material? What about the Oracle notes? So here I will send you, okay, notes. Okay, yeah, because both people are guys. So like what we can say, guys, here, offline students are there as well as online students also there, right? So that's why the both notes is I'm sharing to you guys here through Google Classroom. Okay, so every day you will get it guys here. Every day topic wise running notes. This topic wise running notes will be having in the format of txt format, and topic wise, okay, the main notes in the format of PDF. Okay, no, right? So this is, so every day topic wise running notes, okay, you will be get it here, and it's extension of for txt, that means text files, you will be get it here. Okay, and topic wise main notes, and main notes and main material you have in the format of PDF. Okay, and how you get this means, okay, you will get through here our Nourish IT people, they created Google Classroom. They created guys here, so they created for our batch purpose, okay, Google Classroom, and through that Google Classroom you will be get this all the details you are running and the main notes. This is a regular activity in our classes, it was going to be happen. Okay, right. And the next one is after completion of your Oracle, what you are getting. Okay, so that is called as a end of Oracle. End of Oracle. So end of Oracle course, what you will be achieve here. Okay, what you want to get it here. Okay, now we can see the first one guys here. You will be get complete Oracle material. Okay, complete Oracle material. So in the form of a PDF. Okay, after that you will get some exercise example. That means in our class we are going to be discussing some examples, okay, in our class. So, and some more extra examples also I'm giving to you for your practicing purpose. Okay, now, so that we called as your exercise examples I'm giving now. Okay, now, right. So now the class examples plus some additional examples I'm giving now. So the both combination you will be learning almost 300 plus examples you will be take it out. Okay, you are going to be practicing almost 300 examples. Okay, you will be achieved now, including all topics, including SQL and PL SQL, dynamic SQL. Okay, right. So class examples and some additional examples also I'm giving. This two combination, you will be getting almost 300 plus examples you are getting. Okay, right. And along with this, I'm giving some IQs. So interview questions. Interview questions also, I prepared almost 100 plus IQs I prepared here. So who are going to be, okay, going to database side jobs, like a database developer, okay, so like a database administration side. So if your role is database, okay, so you are interested to go to database career, so those people purpose, I was prepared here the almost 100 plus IQs I prepared, and these if you prepare and go to attend the interviews, so maximum it will be very help to you. Okay, right. And IQs after, I will give some models of resumes. Okay, I will give some models of resume. So resume models I'm giving guys here. How to prepare the resume for your fresher. Okay, so and how to prepare for your resume of experienced people. The two models I'm sending to you, fresher resume model about your database, and experienced people. If you want to keep your experience on database side, then how you can go to prepare it. Okay, right. And along with this, you will be get guys here course. Okay, the which course here? Oracle. Oracle course certificate. So this Oracle course certificate you will be getting from after courses end. You will take the Oracle certificate from Nourish IT people. Okay, so end of the course, you will get this complete things guys here about your Oracle. So the complete resource, whatever I said to you, this all you will be get it end of the course. So this is my schedule guys here, the what we want to learning in this. So what we are learning DBMS, learning Oracle, learning SQL language. So learning of database designing levels and learning PL SQL and dynamic SQL. Okay now, so this is the course and these are the course name and we are learning in this 19C course and 60 sessions. These are your class timings and this is your doubt session and this course is offered to online as well as offline people. Okay, all of you clear this? Come on guys, all of you clear? And what about notes means every day you are getting notes through Google Classroom and this Google Classroom is also you are taking from. So Naresh IT management people will design this Google Classroom. Okay now, right? Yeah, and this is what. So the information about your. So offline students who are coming to offline, definitely guys here, maybe end of this week, again, I will come to there to take offline. Okay, offline compulsory should be there here, don't worry. Okay, so online students, you don't bother about that, but who are coming to offline classes, don't worry guys. So in this introduction part, these are 3-4 days I will take online because I'm out of station. So that is the reason actually I'm taking through online. Okay now, so who are coming to offline students, I'm especially talking with the offline students, so don't worry. So present I'm at outside, I'm not in Hyderabad city, I'm outside for my personal works. Okay, so I will come this week end. Okay, so definitely again your offline classes as usual it was going on. Okay, that's why these 3-4 days you just manage through online, and of course these 3-4 days we are learning only basic introduction parts we are learning, so that is not big matter to confuse the subject, yes or no. So basic information, basics we are learning in these 3 to 4 sessions. Okay, when the main practical session when it is started, I will come to Hyderabad and I'm taking offline classes also. Okay now, so that's why offline students, so don't bother about this course, definitely I will take offline. Okay, right. So right guys, so this is the details of your course. Okay, right. So I stop it here and we'll continue in tomorrow. But before that, I will give to you, if anybody having the doubts in this course schedule, do have any doubt, so you can happily ask me. Okay, so first of all, I will, if you have a doubt, you can stay and ask me. If there is a no doubt, you just log out, and as usual, tomorrow at 9:15 our class is started, so please be attend. Okay now, right? So now if anybody have a doubts, stay here, I will interact with you. Okay, stay here, I will interact with you. Okay, right guys, so thank you so much. Okay, right, yes. So somebody sending their doubts in the chat box. Okay, let I will come to one by one. Okay, right. One of our student is asking to us, so how to get Google Classroom? Okay, so don't worry, Mr. Reddy. So Google Classroom was created by Naresh IT people. Okay, maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, they will be prepared that, and after that, that link was sharing to you. Okay, right. So ETL, who is this Prashad? So ETL is not in this course here. ETL is a separate course. Informaticas. Okay, you have a course like Informatica, and here I said Power BI. Yes or no? So I said one course to you, Power BI people. So in this also you have a SSIS integrations. Okay, so that is a separate course, guys. Here, this is only Oracle. Okay, na Prasad, right? So Ahmad, maybe not changing tomorrow link. If any changes are there, I will inform to you. And the next person, Anirban Gupta. Hi, sir. We will cover the new features of Oracle 19 systems in SQL development. Yeah, definitely. So 19C features, which was related to our developing part, those things we are covering because this course is completely developer course. Okay, na Gupta? This is completely SQL development course. So which related to us that we are covering in this because some features are in 19C, those are admin side features also there. But admin side futures we are not covered here. Only development side, the futures, whatever it was, that we will cover. Okay, right. And the next one, Rakesh. Definitely Rakesh, just wait. I will give the mic option. Okay, just wait for that. So Raghava, details of course admin. Tomorrow I will pass you complete admin details, guys, here. Okay, na? So you can take that admin details and contact to him for any other related things. Okay, right. Tomorrow I will give it to you. Okay, right. Lakshman, sir, Tableau course which institute is better, please. So Tableau course, Lakshman, I don't have much idea on that because after COVID, so many institutions are closed actually. All are converting into online side. So that's why now present who are teaching Tableau, which institute, I don't have some idea on that. Okay. So better to, I will give some admin number to you tomorrow. So you just talk to him. Maybe those people are having some idea on that. Okay, Lakshman? Right. So Amit Patel, if you are okay looking for Azure Data Factory means you should go for SQL Server here, not Oracle. Okay, Amit? Yeah, that was better for you for your Azure Data Factory purpose. And one more thing is Power BI purpose, you have a Oracle knowledge compulsory. So that's why in this, anyone you can choose either Power BI or Azure Data Factory. If you choose Power BI, come to Oracle classes. If are you choosing Azure Data Factor, then go to SQL Server. Okay, Namit? Right. Yeah, Mahi, the payment, how to pay means, so tomorrow administration number, I will give it here, my Nareshite admin people number I'm giving to you. So you just contact to them about your registrations and pay details. Okay. Right. Yeah, Monica. So tomorrow, our people will be sharing. Okay, our people details I'm sharing to you. Okay, so through that you have to pay your fee, right? Normalization means not a query 1, 2, 3 for your name is not mentioned here. Normalization is a technique, guys. Okay, so that technique, with that technique, we are designing our forms, the backend forms. Okay, so that what it is, if you come to attend the classes, you will get some idea. Yeah, Baswaraj, this is demo classes. So tomorrow we started main classes. Okay, na? Right. Cassandra course, Rakesh, Cassandra, maybe that kind of courses nowadays the institutions are dealing or not. I don't have a much idea on that. Okay, very rare courses now. Those are the Cassandra. These are the very rare courses. But I don't know who are teaching in Amirpet market or somewhere. Okay. So better to once Google search, you can do Google search. Is there any institution is there to teaching Cassandra course? Because as per my idea, in Amirpet, in Hyderabad, I think in Amirpet, there is no institution for Cassandra. But you have to search it. Maybe if it is there, you can go to contact to them. Okay. Yes, Srikanth, you don't have any knowledge, any language, any programming knowledge. Without any knowledge, you can happily start your Oracle. Nothing problem. Okay. Right. The Devi Mahesh, the amount, okay, my people will inform to you how much amount for this course. They will inform to you guys. Okay, na? Right. Yeah, of course, Dinesh Kumar, now present as a fresher, especially SQL developers, SQL programmer. Yeah, good opportunities are there in the market. Okay, when you sincerely, if you try on Oracle SQL developer, definitely you have a good opportunities on that. Okay, na? Right. Don't worry, Ganesh, installation how to do, I will show you in the classroom, and you can happily, by watching that video in my class, how I'm going to showing that installation process. So same as this, you should follow it. Okay. So you can easily download, if you can say install, don't worry. Okay. Vaish, okay, Jarwal. The previous video they will send to you guys here. So previously nothing was happened, only just the little bit introduction. I was introduced with my students only that. But this is actually the first demonstration you can treat. Okay, this video my people will be share you. Don't worry. Okay, guys. So then I stop it my chat box, and I will give it some mic option. I will give to you some people. So who are waiting for mic option? Okay. So first one is Ashwin Siddharth. Ashwin. Ashwin.
You can hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
Hi. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, Ashwin, good morning.
Two things, sir. The timing you send is 9:50. Can you make it at 9:30 like that possible?
Yeah, that was somewhat difficult for us.
Okay, fine. Then no problem because
Okay.
okay.
Then 9:15 means the first 10 to 10 minutes I will be rewind the previous class only.
Okay, then okay
So
because
that was not a big problem for you.
okay.
Okay.
Actually, I'm working in a data center.
Okay. Okay.
I like to move to an Oracle DB admin, something like that.
Okay.
So, what are things I want to do? This is enough.
Are you going to DBA or developing side?
DBA maybe.
Yeah, DBA. If you are going to DBA means after this course, and
Okay.
you have some DBA course also there, Oracle DBA.
Okay.
So that you have to learn it when you
Okay.
go to DBA side. Otherwise, you are going to purely Oracle developing side, means this course is enough.
Okay, fine, sir. What's the other course name? Only Oracle.
Only Oracle for that developing side.
Okay.
And this course is completely developing part. This course completely programmer.
Okay. No
Not
problem.
admin
I like
side.
to learn this also. What
Yeah,
are the things?
definitely.
Okay, that's enough, sir. Thank you. Any
Yeah,
doubt in future, I'll message you.
yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. Yeah, Prasad. Prasad, are you there? Yeah, Farina. Farina, are you there? Srikanth. Yeah, Farina.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, Srikanth. Tell me, Srikanth.
React is a front end back, sir.
Backend tool.
Back develop.
Yeah, backend development. This is
Thank you, sir.
okay, ma. Next, Farina. Okay, next, Shiva. Shiva, are you there?
Hello.
Yeah, Shiva, tell me.
Yeah, someone is asked for Cassandra course, sir.
Sorry.
Someone in the training is asked for a Cassandra course.
Custom drop.
Cassandra.
Cassandra.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I know some persons are giving a Cassandra training, but it's
Ah.
for DBA, Cassandra DBA. So he's looking for a Cassandra developer or DBA.
Who are looking for? Myself or yourself?
In the training, someone is asked question for Cassandra training.
Actually, Cassandra is a completely object-oriented database management system that was like it's like a MongoDB type.
Yeah, NoSQL database.
NoSQL database, MongoDB type, and that was object-oriented. But that institutions that I said already, that institution in Amirpet, I don't have much idea because the COVID.
No, that's not my intention. Is someone is asked for Cassandra training. I want to give some information for that person. So
okay. Okay, Shiva. Okay, right, Shiva. So tell me, Shiva, maybe the person is there. He will listening. He will listen to your words. You just tell me that. No problem.
Yeah, he is looking for Cassandra developer or admin. I know the persons, some of the persons who are giving training on admin side. So if he want to go for admin side on Cassandra, then I will guide him. But for Cassandra developer, that's
definitely, Shiva. I want to find out the person.
Yeah.
Okay, Shiva, you send one message now that a developer or Cassandra admin, so if anybody want it, okay? Okay, sure, no problem. So tomorrow I will announce in the classroom. If anybody interested to go looking for Cassandra, I will inform to that, okay? Okay, Shiva, right. Next. So Farina, are you there or not here?
Yes.
Yeah, Farina, tell me.
Yeah. Yes, I want to learn Oracle apps.
Oracle application.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, tell me, Farina, tell me.
Yes. Before that, I want to be perfect in database.
Yeah, definitely. Whatever you choose your Oracle app or whatever it is, okay, definitely this course will be help you, okay, in the Oracle app side, okay. So there is no doubt into that.
Okay, you teach Oracle apps also?
No apps related development, it will be help you.
Okay.
But I mean, this course will be pushed to you into app. That means how you are going to be developing your Oracle app courses are there now. So in that level, this will be very important role will be played when you have a good idea on this.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or any doubt?
Nothing. Nothing.
Yeah.
Thank
Okay. All right. Okay, guys. Then I stop it here. The session. So I will interact with tomorrow. Okay. So the tomorrow we will start our main classes. Okay. The first part of Oracle topic DBMS we started in tomorrow. Okay. Right, guys. So thank you. Thank you so much, guys.